Hi, this is Scott McClemens of CEO Velocity. Today we're going to talk about 5 ways that banks and credit unions can generate higher profits with small and medium-sized business clients. Here's item number 1. Be in the business of making your clients successful. Don't be a financial services product vendor. Look, these folks need lots and lots of help. So, can you put on workshops that'll make them smarter and help them understand better what's going on in the economy, how better to manage their P&L? Can you bring in national speakers or regional speakers or big name people in your marketplace to speak with them and help them with leadership skills, for example? Can you introduce them to some of your other clients or some of your centers of influence that will then generate them more business? Be in the business of making them successful, and you'll really differentiate yourself. Item number 2, think beyond financial products. Look, I know you have to sell financial products, loans, treasury management, deposits, etc. to be successful. But what else can you do to generate fee income that would also be a huge benefit to your small and mid-sized business clients? For example, can you help them find CRM or business intelligence vendors that you could revenue share with? Now, that might seem out of the box, but these kinds of deals are happening throughout the industry. More commonly, there are partnerships with payroll companies, with companies that offer accounts receivable software, for example. So think of who you can partner with that can bring additional products to your credit union or bank that could generate fee income, but also provide huge services to your small and mid-sized business clients. Third is develop knowledgeable employees. The largest banks in America and throughout really the world have developed the position called small business banker. And that is a person, whether they're at the branch or the call center, chat room, they're very, very smart, well educated about small business. They've got coaches, they go through certification levels, ongoing training, so that they can be as sharp as possible and present the strongest brand and the highest level of value to their small and mid-sized clients. Now there's a gap that's growing between the largest banks and the regional and community banks and credit unions. If you're in that category, you need to really make a considered effort to develop your employees and so that they can generate as much value as possible and develop that perception of an expert to this market. Fourth is you've got to be easy to do business with. Don't give these clients a big runaround. Don't make them go to the lender for this, treasury management for that, asset management for this, new accounts for that, website for this, branch for that. They don't want that, as I said in the previous video. Don't make them do that. Give them one point of contact and keep all of their information in one database that's accessible to each employee that deals with them, whether it's a teller, a lender, small business advisor, whomever. Narrow down, and if possible, give them one point of expert contact to deal with. And make sure that your system contains all their data, it's updated, and it's easily accessible. Number 5 is let your data direct your strategy. Now, I've said in previous videos that customer analytics and big data can be highly profitable for banks. Well, in this case, we're talking about small and medium-sized business clients. So, let your data help you understand your marketplace. What are the key industries that are growing the fastest? Which ones aren't doing so well? What are default rates on loans per industry and per type of business? Demographics of owners. What are the most profitable businesses? Understand who your best clients are. Cultivate those relationships, and I've said previously, look at your red zone customers and migrate them into best customer territory. So let your data make you smarter and more strategic. So just want to recap these 5 strategies. Number 1, you're in the client success business. Number 2, you've got to think beyond financial products. Number 3, develop knowledgeable employees. Number 4, be easy to do business with. And number 5, let your data drive your strategy. We'll talk a lot more about small and mid-sized business clients in subsequent videos, but for now, if you've got questions, visit the resources page on my website at ceovelocity.com. I'll see you next time.